Welcome back to Joe's Garden. Now today's video is all about making the herb garden in a container. Now the first thing you got to do, drainage hole. Then what we'll do, put broken crocks in. These are just to cover the holes up, so I don't want them to be blocked up. Now what's important when you're making a herb garden is to mix. Now herbs love drainage. First thing we've done, we put loads of pea shingle into peat-free compost. And then pour it all in. What I'll do, I'll add a little bit more pea gravel. And then what we'll do, we put the herbs in, just the size. Beautiful. Bring it up a little bit more, I think. A bit more peat-free compost. And then what we'll do, we'll just place them in. Beautiful. Now as it's coming up to Mother's Day in about a week or so, it could be a lovely little present, this could be. What we're going to do with this one, this is Moroccan mint. Now what I don't want the roots to get into the soil, so I'm going to double pot this. Okay, here we go. Pot bound this is, so I'll just loosen it up a little bit. And put a bit of pea shingle underneath it. Beautiful. Same with this one. Just underneath there. Also this one's a bit pot bound. Just break up the roots a little bit, just to encourage it. And the last one, beautiful smell. Now what I will do, I don't want that mint to get out, so I'm going to double pot this. Just there. Then I'll take the Moroccan mint out. And I'll add my peat-free compost in this. And I'll plant that in there like that. And I'll top it up. Because if this gets out, this mint gets out, God, you'll be pulling mint out of this forever. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover that pot. Nearly done. A little bit more here. Now, last job I will do, I'll put some pea gravel all on the top. Pea gravel is to stop weeds. Slot that a little bit more. Now the last little thing I've had done, because this is for a special birthday, I've had a sign just made for the front of it. Brilliant. And then all I'll do now, I'll water that in. Until next time.